Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online offerings we have. This week in class, one of my students got talking about the environmental devastation that she's seen in the part of Siberia that she lives in. What's been happening is big companies have been dumping all kinds of toxic waste in the rivers. And this has polluted the rivers terribly. It's killed tens of thousands of fish. That has a knock-on effect to the local food chain, and obviously it makes the waters unsafe to swim in and so on. What really annoyed my student was the fact that most of these companies just get away with it. They're not brought to justice. And even when they are brought to justice, generally they get off with a slap on the wrist. They only get a slap on the wrist. In other words, they're not punished severely. They get a light or a mild punishment. So you get these companies who are dumping all kinds of toxic waste in the rivers, killing the fish, polluting the water. When they do get brought to justice, they just get a slap on the wrist and they have to pay a fine of a few thousand rubles. We had a similar version of this story here recently. There was a young white middle-class kid at university who was arrested on terrorism charges because he'd downloaded tens of thousands of articles from the internet, predominantly neo-Nazi stuff, white supremacist stuff, bomb-making information and so on. The general feeling was that if this had been a black or a brown kid, they would have been in prison for a long time. Actually, remarkably, what happened was he was basically given a slap on the wrist. He got off with a slap on the wrist. The judge, who was also a white middle-class man, ordered him to read some improving literature such as Charles Dickens in the hope that this would somehow alter the path of his life. If you have enjoyed this video, please do click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps us get our message out to more people. Please do share the video with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comments section below, we'd love to hear about times that people or companies who've broken rules or laws got off with a slap on the wrist and how you feel about that.